Hello everybody, this is Vasavi from At Home. Let us learn how to find the circumference and the area of a circle. And we know the radius is equal to half the diameter and the diameter is equal to double the radius. All this we have learned. The circumference is nothing but the outside border, okay? Like for other polygons, for the other shapes, you call it perimeter, right? The all four sides. Say for instance, if you take a square, or a rectangle, when you add up all these four sides, you get the perimeter. But since a circle doesn't have any sides as such, this perimeter is here called as circumference. Okay, so you have a formula to find the circumference of a circle. So your circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, or you can also use another formula for this. If your diameter is known, you can use pi d. This is so simple. The circumference is 2 pi r or pi d units. Okay. Now, the area. For area, it is pi r squared, where r is the radius. The unit will be square units. And here you know that the value of pi, you can either take it as 22/7 or you can take it as 3.14 as needed. Okay. So with these basics, let us see how to solve some problems here. Okay. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of a circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two triangles. So just note this one. You are going to find the radius of the circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Okay. And let me first write the given information. So they say the radius 1 and 2 radii are given. I take the radius 1 as 19 centimeters. Okay. And radius 2 as 9 centimeters. Okay. Now we can immediately find out the circumference of the first one. I write circumference 1 will be, the formula I am going to use is for 2 pi r, right? So here it is twice the pi, and this is r1, right? So I can say that it is 19. Okay. Now coming to the second circle, the circumference would be, you have to use the second radius for this. So this is 2 pi r2. So that is nothing but 2 pi r2 is 9, right? So we have found the two circumferences. What they say, you have to find the radius of a circle whose okay, that I would say just circumference. Okay, circumference of another circle will be equal to the sum of the circumference 1 and 2. Okay, so circumference 1 plus circumference 2. This I would write it as 2 pi r, that is the normal formula, right, will be equal to 2 pi, the first one is 19, right, 19 plus 2 pi times 9. So that would be equals to 2 pi r will be equal to, you can take the common term out. I just take the 2 and the pi which are common here, right? You have 2 pi here as well as here. I take that out, so I'll be left with 13 plus 9. Now divide throughout by 2 pi. So what happens? You would be left with radius equals 19 plus 9, which is equal to 28 centimeters. Okay. So you got the radius of the circle. Let us do the second problem. this you have to go in detail, okay? You have to read the question once or twice till you understand what is being asked here. A wheel of a cart are of diameter 80 centimeters, okay? How many complete revolution does each wheel make? So actually, if they haven't given you the word each wheel, you should have calculated for the 4 wheels, okay? Here you're just asked to do for one wheel. So how many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometers per hour? So you see the diameter in centimeters, right? And the time is given in minutes. So let us first change the speed, okay? Speed is given as 66 kilometers per hour. Okay, first let me convert it to centimeters. For that I will have to multiply 66 kilometers by 100,000, right? And this is centimeters per hour, but still we need it only for 10 minutes, right? So what I do is, first let me convert it to seconds, okay? So how do you convert it to seconds? Converting it, the hours into second, sorry, not second, minutes, right? You will have to divide by 60, okay? So this much centimeters per minute. So this is for 1 minute. So for 10 minutes, we need it for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, you have to multiply this 66 times divided by 60 times 10, okay? So that's because this is for 1 minute. So for 10 minutes, I have to multiply it by 10. Okay, this 0 and 0 will get cancelled. And this would go here 11 times, or you can use the calculator and you get the answer as 1 centimeters per 10 minutes, okay? In this problem what they say is the diameter is 80 centimeter, right? So you can write the diameter is 80 centimeters. So your radius would be 40 centimeters, half of it, right? And the circumference will be, for one full circle, it is, circumference will be 2 times pi times r. R is 40, so we can take it as 80 pi. Now number of revolutions will be equation 2 divided by 1, right? So you can put that in the calculator and see 80 pi, right? So that will give you 4376 point. So let us just stop with this, okay? Let us not take the decimal point. So that is equal to 4376 revolutions. Yeah, so that's done. Now the last one, but this is very easy. Tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is, okay, now they say the perimeter and the area of the circle are numerically equal, right? So it means perimeter is equal to the area, right? Now your perimeter is 2 pi r is equal to pi r square, okay? So let us bring the r this side and the pi the other side. So 2 pi over pi is equal to r squared over r, right? So your r will get cancelled here. Your pi and pi will get cancelled. That implies your radius is equal to 2 units. So your answer would be A. Hope you all understood this video. See you next time. Till then, bye.